So I prepared for the hurricane by going out and getting lots of food. I'm allergic to gluten, so it's difficult.
I bought everything I could carry from the C store.
So I bought this box of Easy Mac. I've eaten almost all of it. There's like 2 Easy Mac things left. I bought a thing of smoked Gouda, which I have half of left. This is the last of my Indian food. I started out with 4 of these, but now it's just 1. And then I figured I needed some cereal for breakfast, so there's that.
So I thought, well, if we still have power, I will want soups. So I bought soup. But then, what if we don't have power? So I bought chips and power bars.
I have lots of oatmeal, pound of beef jerky, popcorn, apples, peanut butter. I'm pretty much prepared to stay in my room for 3 days.
Oh, what did I do in preparation for the hurricane? I did not do anything because I assumed I could mooch off my friends, and I did, because they overstocked food.
I think the scariest moment was when the power went out. I was halfway through an episode of RuPaul's Drag Race, and I was terrified that I wouldn't get to see the results, because when they lip sync for their lives, that's what matters. But then the power came back, so it was okay.
When the power went out for 2 minutes, I was pretty upset because I was in the middle of watching Hulu, and I did not have a flashlight. I was not prepared for the power to go out, so it was like, I don't know, really early in the night, maybe like 8 p.m., and I kind of just sat there and did nothing until it came back on.
I cried a little bit. I ran outside. I looked for friends. Everyone was outside, so that was okay. It was really upsetting because my internet died immediately.
All of the things that I ate, oh my god, I ate a lot of things. I finished a cold pizza. I ate the rest of my extra popcorn that I brought from the movie theater. I finished 3 things of this Indian food.
I ate 1 clam chowder. I had the rest of this bag of chips. And the rest of this bag of chips. I ate 12 cookies.
Well, my friend baked about 30 loaves of bread, so I ate about 5 of those, and then we made dumplings.
I had a muscle milk. I had a large cup of coffee. I ate a lot of candy, and I had a ramen, and I think I had a lollipop.
I ate 4 or 5 maybe Easy Macs. I ate some dumplings, a bag of sour cream and onion chips. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and a can of tuna.
A full glass of orange juice and a bowl of cereal. That was one day.